Again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to the channel, my Masri Tutor. And now today we're going to tackle this subtopic known as relating ratios. We need to know which ratio is bigger than the other ratio, or which proportion is bigger than the other proportion. So which is very easy. Now the question is asking you is asking you or to find out which ratio between these two ratios, 4:5 or 5:6, is larger than the other one. So in this question I'll do three methods. So yani wajua kama ya kwanza ya kushinda, ya pili kuna ya pili, but don't forget again to subscribe to the channel of my Masri Tutor. Now for the method 1, okay, for the method 1, which is easy. So we say we have 4:5, which is written as 4/5, and we have 5/6. So what you need to do here, do you see this 6 that is here and this 5 that's here? Now you bring the 5 to this side, then you multiply by 5 all of them, and the 6 to the other fraction you multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. 4 times 6 gives you 24, and 5 times 6 gives you 30. For the other one, 5 times 5 gives you 25. 6 times 5 gives you 30. Now if you look at it, between 25 and 24, after you've realized that all of them have the same denominators, between 25 and 24, which one is larger? Obviously 25. So automatically it means that 5/6 is greater than 4/5. So which one is the largest? 5/6 is the largest. Now for the other method, we have method 2 as well. For method 2 is quite simple. You can change these ones to decimals, 4/5 and 5/6. You can change them to decimals, so in which you can use your calculator if you want so. If you don't want so, that's up to you. Okay, so 4 divided by 5 in decimals is 0.8. okay, 5/6 for 5 divided by 6 is 0.83. So remember, this is 0.80, this is 0.83. So obviously the 0.83 is larger. So automatically again 5/6 is larger than 4/5. Now for method 3, you change it into percentages. Tamam. So let's change it 4/5 into percentage, multiply by 100. 4/5 times 100 gives you 80%. And you have 5/6 times 100. It gives you, I'm not sure, it gives you 83.3%, which is just, let's say, 83%. Obviously again 5/6 is the largest one. Okay, tamam. Now yeah, it's very simple. Again, it's asking you, you can pause the video and do it by yourself. Which ratio is greater? I'll just use one method for each question, so another method for the other question. So 3:4 or 5:7, 3/4, and we have 5/7. Make the denominators the same. Again, you multiply by 7, you multiply by 7, it gives you 21/28. Multiply by 4, multiply by 4, it gives you 20/28. Obviously the one which is 21 is greater, so therefore the one which is greater is 3 or 4. No, it's 3:4. So yeah, 3:4 is the greatest. By the way, for the previous one also there's a correction. Now for the other one, I'd use decimal wise. So 13/15, I can change it into decimal. So 13 divided by 15, if you change it into decimal form, it becomes 0.86 or 0.87. Tamam. If you change this 21/20 into decimal form, 21 divided by 20 gives you 1.05. Okay, 1.05. So if you look at it, which one is larger? Obviously this one. If you look at it, this one is larger, so the 21:20. Just by looking at it, you know that this one is larger. Why? It's because the first number is bigger than the second number, while this one, the first number is smaller. So obviously at the end of the day, you don't need even to use calculations for such type of question. Now let's continue to the other one. Again, if you ask which ratio is smaller, do the same thing. Let's try 3 over 4, 5, 2 over 3, then multiply by 3 here, multiply by 3 gives you 9 over 15. 2 over 3, again multiply by 5, multiply by 5 gives you 10 over 15. So automatically 9 over 15 is less than 2, 10 over 15. So basically 3:5 is smaller. For the other one, again 8:5 or 8 over 5, and we have 13 over 8. You can multiply by 8 here, multiply by 8, then multiply by 5, multiply by 5. 8 times 8 gives you 60, gives you 64. 5 times 8, which is 4e. 13 times 5, 13 times 5, 65 over 4e. So basically, they just alike. Or am I the one? No, they're not alike. So 64 over 4e is the smallest. So the ratio which is smaller is 8 is to 5. Let's finish up. Oh, let's finish up. Now, last question is telling you the ratio of salaries of electricians to plumbers in a company was 3:4. It's a word problem question. After review, the ratio changes to 5:7. Which ratio is greater? So pause the video, do it by yourself. Now the ratio, say that this one 3:4, and there's the 5:7. So you do the same thing, 3 over 4, 5 over 7. So you multiply by 7 here, multiply by 7 here. This one gives you 21 over 28. This one multiply by 4, multiply by 4. It gives you 20 over 28. So obviously, which ratio is greater? The 21 over 28, which is 3:4. So don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and let's meet in the next lesson.